Alright, time to start the adventure. I'm going to be camping at Chain Lake State Park, Devil's Lake, Wisconsin, High Cliff State Park in Wisconsin, and then making my way to Eagle River. So the odometer is at 19,999, so we're going to pass 20,000 in a minute here on the Jeep. So alright, let's let the adventure begin. Alright, got the site here at Chain Lake, driving up to it. Turner Lake South, site number 10. Sounds like a winner in my book. I'll try to show you this view here in a second. It's a nice kind of prairie view. Look at that. Beautiful area. Pulling up to the campsite, and I asked these guys if they know where my site is. Hey, do you know where my site is? Number 10. Screw it. Alright, Turner Lake South, number 10. Nice little fire pit. It's not a big site, but at least it's one of the secluded ones. You can put the tent up right there. Boom. Got a little Jason Aldean on the phone because that's what people from Oak Park listen to, right? Alright, let's get the tent set up. Alright, pretty much set up. REI half dome. Very spacious, especially for one person. Set up my vents. Be the main entrance here. All right. Guy in front of me driving his Harley, thinking he's a badass. He's got a mohawk. Punk. My brother Ben. taking a walk through the campground now. It's like no one around me, which is awesome. Section of the camp is one of the more secluded areas. There's someone over there camping, but the sites are very disconnected or isolated from each other, which is always good. This other section though is always busy. Maybe we'll take a walk through, look at some campers. Just got back from having dinner with my brother. Rode his Harley up here to meet me. What's that? Oh, it's that lead pipe hitter. That dude that I was talking shit about, but he went back to the city. He's got to work this week, but I'm on PTO. Drove past the lake on the way up here and saw an awesome sunset, so I'm gonna go out there and have a look. This little secret path here past the porta potty. Got this little wooden trail back here.